Yeah, TwoSkill is the largest incubator and accelerator program that has been active since 2012 in quite a number of countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Kenya is one of the TwoSkill focus countries. For us in TwoSkill, financial inclusion is really supporting the partners who are secluded from a particular form of financial services. We have partnered with a number of private companies and specifically the Agribusinesses. We have worked a lot with the many private partners. One of the private partners is the KDPL.
Before TwoSkill came in, the average production per cow was 3 to 4 liters per animal. Then with what we call the interventions and training, within the 5 years, the average production now per animal is going to between 6 and 8 liters per animal. Before the TwoSkill came in, we used to go as low as 6,000-7,000 liters. Currently now, we are doing 20,000 liters. TwoSkill also linked us with financial weapons with Ivasako, and we got an overdraft so that we can compete with the other milk buyers. We pay them money so that we can be able to retain them.
Through the financial inclusion, we've partnered with TwoSkill. They were able to identify Taifa Sacco as their partners, along other stakeholders, being the cooperative societies and KDPL, in ensuring that we are offering financial solutions to our farmers.
Kwenye changamoto mimi nilipitia wakati wa kiangazi, nilikuwa nanunua majani kwa bei iko juu sana. Ng'ombe zilikuwa hata hakuna maziwa unapeleka. Sasa mimi nikaenda kwa Muiga Farmers, wakanipea loan kidogo. Through Taifa Sacco wakanisainia, na huko pia nikapewa loan. Sasa yote ikakuwa 200k. Sasa wakati nilipata pump, nikaanza kupanda mahindi kwa wingi sana. Sasa hata wakati wa kiangazi ukikuja, sitasisiki hata kidogo, juu ng'ombe zangu zinakuanga na akiba ya kutosha hata ya mwaka mmoja.
We piloted together with Meru Union an internal arrangement of financing their farmers through their primary cooperatives.
In this partnership, we've been able to do a number of interventions that have seen our farmers increase their production and also improve their dairy hands. We've supported our farmers through a Meru Dairy Circle to give them loans and advances. In this partnership, we've been able to earn 180,000 liters per day, and currently we are doing 490,000 liters per day. And we've also developed new products like Lala and yogurt.
Since the circle started, we can say that we've been of great advantage to the farmers, because upon granting development loans to the farmers, they are able to buy or add more cows to their farm.
I started my journey of farming with one dairy cow, and being a member of Meru Dairy Circle, I was able to borrow them. We had Meru Dairy Circle in our society meetings, whereby they taught the members on issues about insuring the dairy cows. So through that education, I was able to insure my dairy cows through Meru Dairy Insurance.
For the cooperative societies that we've offered development loans, such as buying them lorries.
Tulikuwa tumeanza na Land Rover ya chairman. Ilikuwa na kelele mingi, changamoto yenye tulikuwa tunasema, tulienda tukakondi bonda ikaanza kubeba maziwa. Ilikuwa na challenge kwa sababu bonda kukinyesha inaanguka, maziwa yote imemwagika. Ndipo sasa tukaenda Daily Meru Sacco na wakatu advise tununue lori ala. Tulikuwa tumeweka tu 100,000, tukapewa 6.2 million ya kununua lori. Na hatupati changamoto mingi kwa lori kwa sababu iko na space mzuri, inaingia maziwa yote na ina consume kitu kidogo.
Shalem, over the years, they have built a very strong relationship with the smallholder farmers, and Shalem has been able to give the farmers a huge market.
For a long time, we were traders, just collecting grain and selling to large-scale manufacturers. With the two-scale holding our hand and giving us technical support, we were able to respond to a call for proposals from Common Fund for Commodities to apply for a loan, and we succeeded, and that is how we were able to put up our factory. So to scale as far as building our capacity to purchase from the farmers did not just help us build a dependable inclusion business model, but they also helped us know even how to manage debts and repay our loans.
Yeah, Tegemeo as a private company, it sources the raw materials from smallholder farmers. So Tegemeo is a good case of our informal financial arrangement. We have been able to support the Tegemeo suppliers to digitize their VSLAs.
VSLA stands for Village Savings and Loan Association, and village is where farmers from the same village comes together, then they form a borrowing kitty.
The VXLA was introduced by Mr. Benson Mugambi, who taught us about the VXLA and all the importance. The money we are using at table banking, we carried them to VXLA. We have table banking, we have VXLA and the consumption and agriculture. We added another project of chicken rearing, whereby the money which we shared out, every member here has a chicken in his or her home.
To scale through Tegemeo has introduced an application called Chomoka. Chomoka is a digital app where it helps VSLA to digitalize their records.
Inaitwa Chomoka, digital Chomoka. It is an app kama zingine. Unaona, unaweka tu kwa simu yako, unafungua, download. You register in Chomoka digital. Yeah, so it's very interesting. We are digital. Hatujashika vitabu. We are very happy of it.
Under two-skill and the financial inclusion activities, we have seen a bigger needs of the supply side, working with the partners, working with other capital providers, including the government, to come up and partner with us to utilize the financial models that we have been implementing over the years, supported by the data that we have, to be able to influence more agri-finances reaching at the grassroots level.